Welcome back, everybody. This recipe starts by cooking half a cup of lentils, yielding 1 cup of cooked green lentils. Then in a food processor, once everything is cooked, we're going to add all of those lentils in there and just give it a quick mince. Remove the lentils and then unpackage 2 individual packets of Impossible meat to a medium mixing bowl. Add those lentils and a variety of spices and miso paste. Combine well with a spoon or with your hands until everything is evenly dispersed. Add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. You can make these into flax eggs, but that's completely optional. The flaxseed works to combine everything, and make sure nothing falls apart when baking. Now, in a medium baking tray, line with a little bit of bacon grease, and using an ice cream scooper or your hands, roll out 1/4 to 1/2 cup size of meatballs onto the tray. Bake the meatballs at 350 Fahrenheit 180 C for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping the tray halfway and turning the meatballs over as well. I added 1 can of low salt pasta sauce in addition to some tomato sauce to thicken it. And you want to cook pasta according to the directions. Add some pasta sauce in the meatballs and enjoy. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more, and see you next time.